Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to do a quick review and technical analysis on Shiba Inu. You know that had been exploding from the last month, and we are going to check what are the next steps on this amazing project. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's go into it. Hey guys, before anything in this video I want to tell you that I am not a Shiba Inu holder. I actually don't own any Shiba tokens or any Doge tokens. I was not very interested in meme tokens at that moment, but now I am paying attention and I will be telling you why. This project started like a decentralized meme token and has been evolved a lot, and now they are creating an actually ecosystem that I could be interested. Many YouTubers are out of this project and probably with a lot of hate about the community and the project itself, but that is not my case. Even if I never invested in the project, I respect the community, I respect any project until I review it and see the opposite. But that didn't happen with the project. Shiba Inu has been exploding all from October and creating new all-time highs, and right now entering into the top 10 of the cryptocurrency in the crypto market, surpassing actually Doge for a brief moment, and right now it's a position 10. I want to say that Shiba Inu is the main coin of the project and ecosystem, but it's not the only one, and I will talk about that a little bit. There are three coins actually. Shiba token, which is Shiba Inu, which is the one that everything is moving around that. But you also have this leash token, that there are only 107,000 tokens for this, and this token called Bone also, there are 250 million tokens. You can review these tokens also in CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. Bone token, it will serve for the decentralized exchange of the Shiba ecosystem. Maybe you were not familiar, but there are a decentralized exchange for Shiba Inu, for Shiba ecosystem, for Shiba project itself. This Bone token will serve as governance there also. You can see that the max supply is only a fourth of a billion, so there are not many tokens here. And for the Doge Killer, called Doge Killer, which is Leash, the token, is ranked at position 2007, but there are only 107 tokens of total supply. Right now the price is 2,000 and almost 2,300. These three coins are part of the Shiba Inu ecosystem itself. They are going to play a role on any of the different parts of the Shiba decentralized exchange ecosystem. The decentralized exchange is called Shiba Swap. You can enter into the project here and you can do a lot of things actually in the project itself. You can dig here, which means provide liquidity. You can swap tokens. You have also this bond folio to manage to track your portfolio there. You can stake. You can also stake here, which is called Berry. And you also have NFTs on Shiba Swap, on the Shiba ecosystem. And there are really cool, something to check is that too. Here you have the swap, and here you have your Shiboshi's club. Here is where you can enter into the NFT world of the Shiba Inu community also. Before we continue with the video, remember that I am doing an amazing giveaway. I will be giving half of a Bitcoin to one winner and 5 Ethereum to 5 different winners. If you want to participate, it's super easy, just a couple of clicks. Follow the link in the description. But remember that you need to be subscribed to the channel with the bell on to be considered. The white paper of Shiba Inu project is very extended, 28 pages. It's easy to read. You need to know that Shiba Inu runs on the Ethereum blockchain, and this has been the premise from his creator, Ryoshi, the founder. There has been a burn of the half of the supply of Shiba Inu a couple of months ago. Maybe you heard about that, but that put the Shiba token into a half of supply. And right now you can see that the max supply is 589,000 billion tokens, and the circulating supply it's almost there, but for 40,000 billion tokens of the max supply. So we are almost reaching the max supply of compared with the circulating supply. So once that happens, all the Shiba tokens will be in circulation. That means that if you want to buy, you need to enter into the market to get that. That is really cool because that could trigger also some more upside on the price. And we have already a 37 market cap, and the fully liquid market cap is 39 billion. So the burn of the half of the total supply was a very big event. Now almost all the Shiba Inus will be in circulation. One thing to comment here about this project is the strength of the community. Of course, like Ripple Army, we have a Shiba Inu army, and you can see here in Twitter that they have 1.5 million followers. This is a very big and strong community. They also managed to be one of the winner community on Reddit, also on another social media. But just for you to know how much is that, for example, let me show you. If you go to the Cardano community itself, you have 1 million followers. So the Shiba Inu community have a 50% more of community than Cardano. So that is amazing. And if you check for Ethereum, for example, the official Ethereum account on Twitter, you have 1.7 million. So it's only 2 million apart from the Shiba Inu community. Of course, they post everything about the new NFTs and news about, for example, here the CoinMarketCap answers regarding the circulating supply and correct information there. So the community is very active, and I think that is the most important thing on this project is the community. So why I am doing a video about Shiba Inu if I never had the tokens and I am not an investor of Shiba Inu? Well, the amazing pump makes me realize that I have been missing some gain opportunities, and I will check you that in this very simple chart. You can see here we are seeing Shiba Inu against USDT on daily candles. We have the previous all-time high here on May, like many other altcoins. Then we create this big bottom from May to the end of September. And just here from the 3rd of October, 4th of October, we did all this amazing rally. And this was, you can see here, 1000% in 1 month. The month is not even finished yet, and we already hit here 1000%. So this is amazing. What was the TA that I missed here? I was not paying attention to this, but this pattern is a very big cap and handle pattern that I mentioned in another videos. So this line here, the previous all-time high, was our resistance base here for the pattern. You can put it there or here is the same. But anyways, you have this very big cap and this handle here, which was the consolidation from October 9 to the previous broke here of 24. So a very obvious and easy trade it will be to enter some long positions here at around 37, 38. Yeah, that will be a very easy, strong buy opportunity for this chart, broken previous all-time high. I was not paying attention to this chart, so I missed this. So what I am looking now is that we hit a new all-time high here at 86 approximately, and we are in this indecisive candle today. So I will be expecting some retracement here and then some consolidation. I would like to go all down to this previous all-time high support and chop around a little bit here before maybe get another new leg up. If that happens, I will probably enter some long positions at this support area. That will be one strategy to see. And if we don't get that and we consolidate on these upper levels, let's say we get into this point and we consolidate there, then we probably could see a very similar pattern here. So I will be entering some long positions above again this new all-time high here. If we broke that all-time high, I probably will be entered there. But right now I am not entering. We are overextended on the MACD. On the RSI we just hit the peak here, and the stochastic RSI already crossed bearish. We need to go below 80 here, but the cross is already bearish. So we need to wait a little bit and see what's happened after this new all-time high that we just reached. But in terms of investment, Shiba Inu now is in my radar, and it's something that I will be looking to see more new entry points on this token, because also they pump like crazy, and so you have the ability, for example, here to make, let me show you here, from here to here, it pumped the 200% in 4 days only. So that is an amazing percentage of earnings. So like I say, right now those are the targets. If I trace a Fibonacci extension from this low into the new all-time high, you can see that mostly I am expecting to go down into the golden pocket Fibonacci extension, which is exactly above the previous all-time high here. So this area is the one that I will be looking for, maybe enter some long positions. I will be keeping you updated on my Twitter, CryptoSeaState. So show me in Twitter if you want to know when I will be enter into Shiba Inu. Well guys, that will be the end of this report. I don't think Shiba Inu is a token or a community that you should not paying attention, because it's a very big community, a really good project that is starting to build some ecosystem. It's not just a meme token for me, so I will be paying attention to this. Before we leave, remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and join me on Twitter at CryptoSeaState if you want to be up to date with my trades or entry points on projects. That is all for this video. I will see you in the next video. Bye.